Hi, I'm John Benson from the law firm of Penglase and Benson. We are a family law firm serving families in Bucks County and Montgomery County areas. Today, I'd like to discuss with you 6 common questions we often receive regarding child custody. Let's begin with a fundamental question. What does child custody mean? Custody is a catch-all term for both legal custody and physical custody. Legal custody refers to the authority to make major decisions for and about your children, including, for example, decisions about schooling, religion, and medical care. Physical custody refers to how you and your spouse will share time with the children. It addresses where the children will live and who will provide care and supervision during specific time periods. How is custody determined in a divorce? Custody can be determined in one of 2 ways, by mutual agreement or by the court. The best way, by far, is for you and your spouse to come up with a plan together. What should be included in a parenting plan? At a minimum, your parenting plan should address both legal and physical custody. In creating your plan, it's important to recognize that time sharing and decision making are independent concepts. In other words, parents who share decision-making authority equally need not share parenting time equally. You can agree on just about any parenting time arrangement that works for you and your family. Important factors to consider include your children's ages and developmental needs, as well as the practical realities of transportation, work schedules, and living space. Your plan should recognize the importance of having your children spend quality time with both parents. Each parent should have blocks of work time and play time with the children. What happens if we can't agree? If you and your spouse cannot hammer out a parenting plan on your own, then mediation is the best next step. If mediation fails, then you will have to take your custody matter to court. Litigation is costly, time-consuming, and emotionally wrenching. And when it's over, for all of your money, time, and tears, you will end up with a court-imposed parenting plan that neither of you may be happy with. The bottom line, always find a way to agree. Here's another common question. My ex is a bad influence on my children. Can I keep him or her away from them? If your issue with your ex involves his or her parenting style, then probably not. For example, if you think your ex is a bad influence because he or she feeds the kids fast food and lets them stay up late watching scary movies, you will need to work that out with your ex or learn to let it go. Courts rarely get involved in deciding who is a good parent and who is a bad parent. If, however, your spouse presents a real danger to your children, then a court may intervene to ensure your child's safety. Even then, supervised visitation may be preferred over no contact at all. One final question. We couldn't make our marriage work. How can we make a parenting plan work? There's no magic formula for successful co-parenting, but your experience will be improved if you understand and accept 2 things about parenting plans. First, no matter how complete you think your plan is, it cannot possibly cover every situation that might come up. Kids get older, schedules change, life happens. You will have to be flexible. Second, your parenting plan is an agreement between you and your former spouse. It will only work if you 2 honor and enforce it. A judge cannot resolve every minor dispute. A court cannot mandate respect, empathy, or common courtesy. Those essential aspects of successful co-parenting have to come from you and your former spouse. If you have other questions about child custody, we are here to help. Please give us a call at 215-348-4416 to schedule a consultation.